Medux is a flexible AI toolbox for media creation and processing. With Codex connected to Medux through MCP, we can call powerful video tools directly from the workspace, instead of switching platforms or writing custom integration scripts. In this tutorial, we'll use that setup to merge multiple video clips into one clean final video. Let's merge a few videos with Medux. Right inside Codex, Medux is an AI toolbox, and Codex talks to it through MCP, so instead of opening another dashboard, we just describe the workflow here. First, Codex checks the assets and decides which Medux tool to call. The goal is simple. Combine these clips into one clean output video. Now, Codex prepares the merge request and sends it to Medux. Medux handles the video, stitching, timing, and final rendering for us. The nice part is control. We keep the order clear and avoid manual editing. Codex keeps checking the task status, so the workflow stays hands-free. No custom API script, no repeated uploads, and no jumping between tools. When the job is ready, Medux returns the merged video result. Now, we preview the file and make sure every clip plays in the right sequence.